pasta word.
Oh, you gotta duck down.
Same me, different apron.
Rick's cooking up a storm today.
Wee.
Welcome to Pasta Word.
Welcome.
We're gonna make a pasta dish for you
Some
today.
alien juice.
No thanks.
It's puce.
It's puce. It looks like chartreuse. Okay.
Chartreuse, Bruce.
Today we're gonna make
and Bruce.
a pressure cooker recipe.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Oh, Ninja Foodi.
Ninja Foodi, there it is. So it's going to be pressure cooker ranch chicken with pasta. Now we are going to cook the pasta separately. We got the water boiling here, and we're going to use some riccioli pasta, which is really twisty. Show 'em up front.
You speak that? See it?
It gets up there past the light.
Semolina.
Right. And then
Bronze die cut. It's cut with a bronze die.
why don't you dump that in the boiling water? And the rest,
All of it?
yeah.
What is it?
It should be a pound, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cook it up, and if we don't use it all, we'll save it for some pasta salad for this summer salad.
There we go.
There it goes.
Whoa.
All right.
Can I whisper yet?
Now, oh, get it boiling good first. The other ingredient I have here is chicken tenders. We have 2 pounds, and they're thawed out. They're fresh, actually, and they could be frozen. If you had frozen, you could also use that in the pressure cooker. So we're going to put them in. Let's show them the stuff up close.
Okay. Come on up.
Come on up.
Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
Oh, all right.
Oh, okay. So while the pasta is cooking, we're going to open the pressure cooker.
Ooh.
Oh,
Doc. Doc.
there we go.
Plug it in so it speaks to us.
All right.
Speak to me, Foodie. What are you going to say? Hi? Foodie used to say hi. Look at.
There's Fruity.
Yeah, but say hello.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's when we were new at it, I guess.
Yeah, nose is
Yeah, we
too
have this
much.
whole package of chicken tenders here. I'm just going to pour them in. And we're going to spread them out a little bit. You can see about what it looks like. How many do you think are in there, Rick?
10.
10 or so?
10-ish.
And we're going to use some ranch seasoning. This is from Hidden
10-ish,
Valley
anyone?
Ranch.
Oh, that's good.
And the packets here.
How many packages?
Let's use one because there's a lot of seasoning in there. Look at that. This is the same seasoning that you would use for a salad mix, salad dressing recipe. So first we're going to put in 2 cups of water. This actually helps us get the pressure up on the pot, but it becomes part of the mixture. Now we're going to sprinkle in the seasoning mix all over.
It's going to be good.
That's why I think we only need 1 packet because, boy, there's a lot of seasoning in there, good flavors. Now we have a cup of cheese that we're going to hold off until we're finished.
All right.
And I'm going to take this, the cream cheese. Oh. I have a pack of whipped cream cheese from Philadelphia. And this is 8 ounces. It's a large container, but it's all whipped up. Now we're going to take some of these plops of cream cheese and spread them out inside the pot. And Rick has a lot of experience cooking chicken in a pressure cooker. So you're advising how long should we put
7
this?
minutes.
7 minutes, okay.
Yes. And that's frozen 7 minutes. What do you think? 6 for not frozen?
7 minutes.
7. You like 7.
Go on with your 7.
All right. Let's turn the macaroon.
Okay, let's get this going while the pasta will be done at the same time, I think.
Yep.
Okay, here we go. All right, locked up.
Are you going to use the crisping lid on this?
No, we are not going to use the crisper this time.
So you can use any pressure cooker anyway, right?
The next step after this cooks, we're going to take it out and we're going to shred it up as kind of like pulled pork. And then we're going to whisk the mixture for a nice topping.
But you could do this in an Instant Pot or any kind of pressure cooker you have. Sorry, or whatever.
So we want pressure on high, and
Ooh.
we're going to go with Rick's 7 minutes.
All right.
It's in the sealing position on the valve, and we'll be back after the 7 minutes of cooking time are finished.
All right. Pasta word. Look good?
Yeah, look at those little curly cues. Ooh, it's gonna be good. All right.
3, 2, 1.
Done.
Finished.
Now this will go into a keep warm mode unless we let the pressure out and get moving. See how it goes to keep warm? It's a nice feature on the Ninja Foodi. But right now I'm going to open the valve and let the steam escape.
Whoa.
How do you like that?
I like it. We'll be back.
Okay. Alright, you think all the pressure has escaped pretty much. Take the lid off. Woo-wee!
It's hot. You got a pot holder?
Yeah.
Oh. It's creamy in there. I forgot you put that in there. I better take a peek in there.
The sauce is made up already. Now check that out. Now we're going to take all the chicken pieces out, put them on a platter, and Rick's going to shred them up while I mix up the rest of the sauce.
The shredder. That's my job.
So try to, I'll hold the plate for you.
Oh, it smells
Can you
good.
see us okay here?
See.
Look at how nice the chicken came out. Ooh. It's okay if you get some of the juices on your plate.
Did we count before? I said 10, right?
Yeah.
We count now?
I don't
3, 4,
think
5,
this
6.
is fair.
7. 8. I'm just wondering if I counted right the first time. 9. 9!
9.
One flew away.
Why don't you break one apart there and show them how tender?
Oh, you gonna hold that?
Yeah. Just,
Should I bite it?
no. Oh, look at that. Look how it comes apart. Okay, you get busy shredding that up. Let's turn this thing off.
Alright.
Now, I want you to see about how thick it is. It's not real thick, but it's nice and creamy. Look at all the seasonings in there. I don't know if I can see. All right, so I'm going to take a cup of shredded cheese. This is cheddar cheese. I'm going to mix that in, and I'm just going to whisk it until it melts. While Rick goes over here and makes that shredding happen.
Shredder. That's alright.
I'm just going to keep.
Sure smells good.
I'm also going to add some creamy melt mozzarella. This is a new item I saw on the store shelves this week. Creamy melt. And it's a little,
Creamy.
it melts really nicely. So I'm going to put that in here also, almost a cup, just to make it a little thicker.
Good job at shredding, sir.
Oh yeah.
Like salt and pepper on there maybe just for fun?
Okay. Oh, look what a nice job. Look at this creaminess here. Can you see how it's getting nice and creamy?
That all smells good.
Yeah. Let's put the pasta on the plate, add the chicken, and then we'll sit down at the table and add the sauce. How's that sound?
Okay. As long as I get to eat.
Okay, here's the riccoli pasta. You can see it's nice little curly cues. Do you want to add some chicken to that with the tweezers there?
To that or to that?
Right, dude.
Oh, that's our plate to eat off.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is your plate.
so we're almost done.
Yep, we're almost done.
Oh, I thought we had a whole bunch more steps to
No.
go.
All right, I'm going to get the other plate.
Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. 7 minutes. And I did these frozen 7 minutes as well. Many times I did that. Pressure cooker.
Right.
Any brand pressure cooker. Doesn't have to be a Ninja Foodi. Whatever you like.
Okay.
You want a little bit more?
That's good. Thank you.
Oh, bonus.
All right, then I'll bring the sauce to the table and we'll sit down and
All
taste
right.
it.
Sounds good.
Come on, Rick. I know how hungry you are. Easy. Oh boy.
Oh, you got a jug of sauce there? What is that?
Look, this is the creamy sauce. We're gonna pour it over the plate. Ooh, look at this. Now this is your pasta sauce, so you need a little extra. It also covers the chicken. Ooh, shall I pour yours?
Yeah.
See the nice spices in there? Oh, this is the best part. Sitting down and having dinner with Rick.
I agree.
Now we have a little topping.
Bacon!
Bacon. Look. We already have the cheese inside, so we'll put the bacon on top. Oh, look at that. You want extra? How's that?
I'll take some extra.
All right. If you need more sauce, we have a nice pitcher full here.
Man.
Be careful, it's hot. Wow.
Creamy.
Got to use the pressure cooker
Cheesy.
today.
Ninja Foodi. You get one of each in my plate.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bacon was a good idea.
It goes good with the ranch, right? And the chicken.
Yeah, the sauce is good.
Look how easy that was. All the seasonings in one packet, right?
Try this.
Wow. This is a recipe to keep in the recipe box.
Pass the word. Tell all your friends about it. And please subscribe. We're glad you're here.
Yeah, thanks for joining us for this recipe.
Try this. It's so good and easy. All right. Talk to you soon.
Oh, I wanted to show them what you made in your video earlier.
okay.
Do you mind?
No, we can have that for dessert. I made cupcakes for dessert.
He made meat cupcakes today. Oh, show what that come from. I just wanted to share that with you. We'll put the link to his channel and this video.
Meat cupcakes.
With cheese and bacon, and it's filled inside.
Yeah, check it out. We'll put
I
the
just
link.
wanted to show you before we said goodbye.
That's dessert. Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.